Mom, I'm bored. What can I give them right now so they don't throw a tantrum? We rush to hand them a phone, plan an activity, or distract them. Boredom is not always. When your child says, Mom, I'm bored, I know what happens. Your mind starts racing, isn't it? What can I give them right now so they don't throw a tantrum? We have all been there. We rush to hand them a phone, plan an activity, or distract them. Why? Just to keep the peace. But here is the truth: boredom is not always bad. In fact, as a cognitive coach, I want to share this with you today. Boredom can be a hidden gift for your child's brain, a superpower. In this video, I will show you why boredom actually helps the brain, and I will give you my simple 3-step BEA method to turn boredom into creativity, confidence, and problem solving. But before we start, let me ask you, when your child says, I'm bored, what's the first feeling you get? Annoyed? Tired? Worried? Stressed? Comment that one word below right now. Mine used to be tired. What's yours? And here is what's really happening inside the brain. Front part of the brain, called the thinking brain, is waiting for a task. When we always give our child something to do, this part becomes passive. It doesn't get to practice. But when we let them sit in boredom, the brain has to fire up. It starts connecting ideas. It creates new neural pathways, and that's where imagination, problem solving ability, and independence are born. I call this boredom is a brain practice. Boredom teaches kids things schools don't always teach: how to plan, how to solve problems, how to handle failure and try again. And these are life skills every child needs. By the way, if you want to understand more about how brain loses focus, watch my video Smart Kid Zero Focus, What to Do. I explain exactly why kids switch off and how to bring them back. I'll link it for you. So how do we use boredom the right way? I use what I call the BEA method. B means build a menu. Don't wait for the crisis. On a calm day, sit with your child. Make a simple boredom menu together, very much like a restaurant menu. For little kids, draw, build a fort, teddy bear picnic. For older kids, start a garden, learn a dance, invent something from old stuff. This teaches planning and self-management. This is how you build a creativity bank in their brain. Now, E is for empower with choices. When they say, I'm bored, don't rush to fix it. Calmly say, that's a great problem to have. Pick 2 things from the menu and choose one. If they refuse, give them 5 minutes to choose, or you will choose. You are not ignoring them. You are teaching them emotional strength. Now, A is for accept the mess. Sometimes the fort falls, the art gets messy, the project fails. This is not failure. This is training for grit. Instead of fixing it, ask, what worked? What will you try next? How did it feel to try again? Embrace the mess. Boredom is teaching them resilience. One parent I worked with told me their child said, I'm bored every single holiday. We made a simple menu. We gave choices. Soon the child built a Lego zoo, even planted a small garden. The pride on that child's face, that was growth. That was the brain building itself. So the next time your child says, I am bored, don't get upset. Don't feel guilty. Just smile and say, that's wonderful. I can't wait to see what you are going to do now. This one phrase changes everything. And if this video helped you, please subscribe right now and share it with another parent. Let's spread the message. Boredom is not the enemy. It's brain training. Remember here, boredom is not empty time. Boredom is brain practice. When we guide it well, boredom turns into creativity, confidence, and resilience. As a cognitive coach with Brighter Minds, I have seen this again and again. Small shifts make big differences. So, parents, let's raise kids who are not just busy but brain smart and life ready. See you in the next video. Bye.